Hey there, motorheads. Today, Farley and I are going to show you how to change the spindle bearings. Alright, so a few cans of brake clean later, my spindles are relatively clean. So now I got to change these bearings out, and there will be more cleaning after I get the bearings out, but you can see it's not really a blind hole, but it's really hard to catch an edge in there. So I do have a blind hole puller set for my slide hammer. I'm going to give that a try, and let's see how that works out. Well, here's my blind hole puller set. It's not even close to big enough. All right, before we go to the vise, I decided I'm going to see if I can get this pry bar to catch, and it catches quite good. So we'll see if we can get it moving right here, or if it's going to come apart, or what's going to happen. Looks like that might be some movement. Oh yeah, she's almost out. So this pry bar, apparently this is the trick. So I'm not even going to bother with the vise. I'm just going to set this on 2 blocks of wood and continue to knock it out. Well, that was probably the easiest I've ever removed a needle bearing. There we go. That is the most win I have ever had with getting these needle bearings out. So these are destined for the garbage can. Got a little more cleaning to do again because it can't ever be clean enough. And then we will press the new ones in. All right, well, the wheel bearing surfaces don't, or the wheel bearing seal surfaces don't look particularly great on these. So going to polish them up quick, hit them with some 180, then some 400. I don't know, probably won't reach in with Scotch-Brite. All right, still not great, but it'll run a lot better than it was. Okay, we're back here at the lathe again. What I've decided to do is make a plug to tap in those spindle bearings. I checked all my sockets. Nothing was making me real happy. They all either didn't go into the spindle at all or they were too loose. So basic plan is just to turn it back for a just a clearance fit in this bore. Then I'm going to make a step, and then I'm going to make an 1.5 inch pilot because that's the size of the outer stub where it goes into the bearing. Perfect. Alright, looking at the old marks in the spindle, which I've cleaned up for the most part. Looks like it's exactly 1/4 inch. So I zeroed out my indicator when I stopped. Now I can just measure this height. And I'm at 490. So I want to continue machining that shoulder up another 240 thousandths, so that'll leave me a 1/4 inch. Nice. Perfect, loose, won't bind up when it goes in. Depth is just right. We're going to use that. Alright, not much to say here. I'm just going to knock them in the same way I knocked them out. There's a round edge and a square edge. I'm assuming the round edge goes in first. That'd make the most sense, as it'd guide in better. There we go. Exactly 1/4 inch deep. Perfect. Part 2, round edge in first. There we go. Not bad. All right, I'm going to pack these bearings and bolt on this. All right, thanks for watching this video. That's a wrap for the spindle bearings. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. All these things help me grow the channel, and I could use your help right now. So thanks for watching.